How are booleans formatted in strings in Python? I see I can't do. In Python, I guess %b for boolean. Is there something like this?
This is not specific to Boolean values. %r calls the _repr_ method on the argument. %s for str should also work.
If you want true false, use because str true is true and str false is false. Or if you want 1 0, use because int true is 1 and int false is 0.
You may also use the formatter class of string. These are the results. Some of the %format type specifiers, %r, %i, are not available. For details, see the format specification mini language.
To update this for Python 3, you can do this. However, if you want to actually format the string, for example at white space, you encounter Python casting the boolean into the underlying C value, i.e. an int, for example. To get around this, you can cast true as a string, for example,